Today we are a couple of real estate mavericks.
Yes!
How do you like that? Action! All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ready? Hi everybody, we're Brian and Dan, and we are at 1702 Lobelia. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Lobelia.
Lobelia.
Lobelia Lane in San Jose.
Yeah.
Right over here in kind of where would you say this?
Well, we're in Cambrian as far as I'm
Cambrian,
concerned,
exactly.
yeah. And near Blossom Hill Road and Harwood.
Perfect.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful street, great neighborhood, great looking neighborhood, everything. I mean, it's just a perfect location, right? And you're walking distance to Nodden Elementary, which would be your home school, and really close by to Union Middle School and Lee High School.
And more importantly, there's something about this house that makes me feel like, and I don't know if it makes you feel like it, but a real estate maverick. So,
But it's a great house. When we talk about houses with great bones, right? This is one of them for sure.
Right.
It's just a really well-kept, well-maintained house.
we got 4 bedrooms,
Yes,
2 baths,
yes,
a living room, living room, family room,
yes,
kitchen, 2 fireplaces,
yeah,
freshly landscaped front and backyards,
yeah.
fresh paint inside and out. Show
Okay,
it to me.
show it to me, of
I
course.
can't wait. I cannot wait.
Okay, you ready? After you, sir.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Nice entryway, formal entryway. You got a coat closet here, big skylight up above you there, and you walk into this living room. And it's nicely, we just put new carpet in, we just put new fresh paint in here. It's nice and big and bright and open. The whole house has double pane windows, right? And the whole place looks fantastic.
Yeah, it is nice that it goes right out the backyard as well.
Yeah, in fact, come on, let's go take a look. Just very private. I like that. I like that there's no other houses looking in on you. It's just very peaceful, beautiful fall day, like you said.
Great place to have a cup of coffee in this
Right. Put a
summertime.
big dining table out here. The kids run around out here. It sounds great.
Good.
Awesome. Come on, let's go. Dan, the real estate maverick.
Brian, please.
Oh, thank you.
What's nice here is it flows right from the living room into the family room, where we have another fireplace, again, fresh paint, fresh carpet, and it's also a very nicely laid out kitchen.
Yeah. Big, bright kitchen over here. You got a pass through over there. Oh yeah, hi. See, you got a nice pass through right here.
Are you
going
gonna
to
jump
guests. Might see if we can pass you through.
I'm not going to work on it.
You got double ovens, you got a stainless fridge, and I just like this house because it's bright. It's like very open and bright. You got the dual pane windows, you got another skylight here that actually opens up so you can get some fresh air in. And you got a range here and a hood and double ovens, and it's just a great kitchen. I mean, it's nice and big. You got these oak floors, chandelier. Cool, right? 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2.
Currently set up as a den.
Right, with the built-ins?
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, great for a home office in there. Bedroom number 3. Oh, come. This is the hall bath. Again, just very clean, very nice, very well maintained, new paint. It just looks fantastic. Master bath, water closet, shower, big closet here, big mirrored closet there. And this, my maverick real estate friend, is the master bedroom.
Great.
Yeah.
I like it. It has a sliding glass door.
Sliding glass door, double pane windows, all new paint, all new carpet, big oversized closet right here. It just looks fantastic, right? And you look out onto the backyard, it's excellent. The roof is relatively new. It looks fantastic. I mean, the whole house is just really impeccably maintained. Great bones, great floor plan, great location, great neighborhood. I couldn't be more excited.
And tell me, what do I do if I want to see this house?
If you want to see this house, you can go to www.1702lobelialane.com or
www.briananddan.com
or
Oh, I was going to point out our website.
Oh, good. Do it again, because there is no other or.
Oh.
Our YouTube channel, you can subscribe down there. You can like this post. You can comment below if you got anything nice to say. Haters need not apply. And
yeah, and if you want a special private tour of the property, please give us a call.
Yeah, Dan will be happy to give you a private tour.
Open houses coming up as well, so check our website.
Yeah.
And one final thing, remember, if you know anyone who's looking to buy or sell a home, we love your referrals, so keep us in mind.
That's right. Brian and Dan also represent buyers. We do videos mostly for our sellers, but we also represent buyers, and we do a fantastic job. We just got a property into contract today. We got a couple in contract for buyers the last couple of days, and our buyers are generally pretty darn happy with the service that we provide. It's not always about finding the right house. It's often about getting the house that you found, right? It's a competitive market, and we do a really, really great job of getting our buyers into contract. That's the trick, is negotiating the deal and making sure that you get the house that you want. Right? Yes? We're real estate mavericks! Yeah! We're real estate mavericks! Right? We're crazy!